Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Today, we have a super simple video for you, and that's how to change the battery in your F series key fob. Looks just like this. Now, if your battery in your key fob is low, you may have some weird symptoms. A, if you have comfort access, it might not work. Your range to unlock and lock your car just might not quite be there. Or another thing is when you get in your car will say that there's no key present and you have to hold your key up to those little arrows to start your car. So these are pretty good indicators that you need a new battery. So as far as the tools you need, it's a good idea to have some kind of flathead screwdriver, just something small. And then really the key blade is our other tool. So on the back of your remote, there's a little button, you push that in and you slide your key blade out. Now when you look at the side of your key fob, you'll notice that there are two holes that are similar shape and size. There's this one here where the key blade slides out of. And then there's this one right here. What you do is you take your key blade, you stick it on a little bit of a down angle, so if you could see, I'm at a little bit of a down angle, and you get it in there, and you pry up. And what that's going to do is that is going to release the battery door, which you can see here. And inside we can see our battery. So to get the battery out, just take a flathead screwdriver, just right here, and this will pop out. Just like that. So here's a close-up of the battery. I actually don't need to replace my battery, so I'm just going to put this back in. But you can see that the code on it is CR2450, and it is a 3-volt lithium battery. Now, one of the things that you'll notice is this battery is huge. I'll show you an example here. So we also have a Honda Pilot. So if I pop this open, look how small this battery is compared to this monster that they put in the BMW key fobs. Once you have your old battery out, you take your new battery, you slide it in this way, you just press it into place. Then you get the backing, and on the backing, you're going to notice that there's a little bit of a hook. You hook it underneath there, you snap it in place, and you're good to go. Again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. I know this was a little bit of a short video, but we thought that it would be helpful because some people don't know how to open these, so that is the proper way to do it. Again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. As always, be sure to give us a like, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification. If you check the link in the description, we have a link to the battery that you need for your key fob. And if you need a spare, we have a link for the actual key itself. Again, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.